kia marigitari guku bururi-ini na kiria kiukaine ta Health Union kakas ganimathiete na mbere na kuga ati riu matire na undu ungi kuna ati riu ni matanyitwo gukorwo makigamiro ya othe kwanjĩrĩria tariki 14 kurumirira kwaga gukorwo kana kurumirira kwaga gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti yao na thirikari iria mandĩkanĩire na makĩria nyongerera ya mishara kuringana na marigitari aya ni mathiĩte na mbere na gutetia honge itiganĩte cia thirikari iria Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ makiuga atĩ aingĩ nĩ arĩa makorirwo makĩandĩkithio wĩra na nginyagia rĩu matirĩ makorwo makĩongererwo mĩcara yao. Mũndũ ũgwĩtwo ti Duncan Kagera wa Gĩteru na riboti ĩno.
Health unions want to express our dissatisfaction with the inaction of the Minister of Health and the Council of Governors following the 60-day strict notice.
Kĩama kĩa ũrigitani gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ kĩo Kenya Health Union kana KAUKAS nikiuti ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ na kanjia magavana hingi mendekithia mayo mareheanite maria ni mongererwo mĩcara na kũrĩa marutagira wĩra kwagĩrithio o ũndũ ũmwe na madagitari marĩa matarĩhĩtwo marĩhwo ni amu ni mĩaka makĩria ya mĩaka 7 kuma madagitari mongererwo madaraka.
Minister of Health and the Council of Governors to take proactive steps to absorb the universal health workers into permanent pensionable terms. Joint health workers have also called for the timely completion of the collective bargaining agreement, which have outlined the terms and conditions of employment for workers, including salary adjustment, allowances, and the working condition. The union argue that delay in finalizing the CBA affect the welfare and the rights of the healthcare workers. That for the last 7 years, the healthcare workers have not experienced any gain in terms or rather financial increment in terms of their payment.
Ni mwete arigitani maandĩkwo na mũbango wa ihinda iraihu handũ wa kwandĩkwo na kandarathi ya ihinda inini.
The absorption of the universal health coverage care workers. The union have demanded that the absorption of the universal health care workers who were initially engaged on contract basis into permanent and pensionable terms. The union expected the Minister of Health and the Council of Governors to address this issue promptly and work toward finding mutual beneficial solution that prioritizes the interest of healthcare workers and the Kenyan at large.
Ni maugĩte nĩ mahete thirikari kahinda ka thikũ 60 nĩguo mahote kwaranĩria no thirikari kĩhũthĩrĩria ũndũ ũrĩa maugĩte nĩ mekwa Mugomo mweri 14 mweri ũyũ.
Tuko tayari kuongea iwapo watachukua muda ule ambao umebaki na tuweze kuingia kwenye meza, tutaongea. Lakini iwapo hawataweza, basi tumesema kwamba tumeamua kwamba tutaenda kwenye mgomo siku ya tarehe 14 mwezi huu.
Wakitaka tuongee saa hii tuko tayari kuongea. Kama utataka tuongee hata saa hii, ukitaka saa hii tunaweza ongea. Lakini kama itafika tarehe 13 hatujaongea, wasahau. Sababu hatuwezi kukubali siku 60 zimeisha na hatujaongea, alafu mtu anakuja kutuambia sijui mambo gani. Gilifotela Mugomo TV. Rekoni Kagera wa Gĩteru.
Haya.